god!
Uh-oh! You need a bright light, but your flashlight is dead. They never work when you need them most. Don't let that old-fashioned technology tie you down. From the makers of the old Brooklyn Lantern comes the new ultra-bright Kansas City Railroad Lantern. The vintage-style lantern with new LED technology that can light up the night. Used for centuries to signal trains, today railroad lanterns are highly collectible. And now this beautifully crafted Kansas City Railroad Lantern uses modern LED lights that shine a bright white light. So forget those old flashlights. The rugged Kansas City Railroad Lantern has a stack of 9 ultra-bright LED bulbs that shine for 100,000 hours. Crafted from genuine metal with authentic details. There's even a vintage-style fill cap that disguises the modern dimmer switch. Look, your ordinary flashlight shines a narrow beam in just one direction. But the Kansas City Railroad Lantern casts 360 degrees of super bright light. It can light up the whole room. Just look at the difference. So if the power goes out, you can light up the house. Night after night after night. Finely crafted with an authentic feel. It's a beautiful recreation of the original conductor's lantern with the power to light up the night. Perfect for that patio party. Just right for the campsite. We guarantee you love it or your money back. Call and get your vintage-style Kansas City Railroad Lantern with LED technology that'll last 100,000 hours. Now just $12.99. But wait! Call right now and you can double your order. That's 2 Kansas City Railroad Lanterns for $12.99. And call right now and find out about free shipping.
Call 1-800-352-9089 and get the Kansas City Railroad Lantern. But hurry and you can get a special offer and a second lantern with your order. Call 1-800-352-9089. That's 1-800-352-9089. Call now.